An investment account was opened with an initial value of $890. The value of the account doubled every 10 years. Which equation represents the value of the account M of t in dollars t years after the account was opened? Okay, here the given information represents the exponential model. So the general form of an exponential function is y equals to a times b is raised to the power of t over d. Okay, let's consider the components of this exponential model. Here A represents the initial value of y. That is, this is the value of y when t equals to 0. And this B is growth or decay rate. And this T is the total time period. And D is the frequency of the time period. That is how often the quantity is getting changed. For example, the quantity will be getting increased once in 5 years. Then the value of D will be 5, or if the quantity is getting increased once in 2 years, means we have to plug in 2 for D. Okay, now let's consider this of M of t for y over here. Then we have M of t, and already I told you that A is the initial value. Initial value is $890. We can plug in 890 for A, and I said B is the growth or decay rate. Here the value of the account doubled. That means it's a growth exponential model. So growth rate is 2 because account is doubled. Let's plug in 2 for B. And T is the total time period. And in the question, the total time period is the same T years. We can keep this T as it is. And I said this D is the frequency of the time period. That is how often the value is getting changed. That is in this case, how often the value is getting doubled. The information says that the value of the account doubled every 10 years. So this value 10 we have for D over here. We can plug in 10 for D. Here I got the exponential model which represents a given scenario. We find this equation, I mean this function in answer choice C. The correct answer choice for this question is C.